everyone, welcome to the Riva classes. My name is Ritu. Today we will discuss about human heart. As we know that human heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It is made up of a special type of muscles which is known as cardiac muscles. It beats 72 times per minute. Human heart has a four-chamber to avoid mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. The four chamber of heart are right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. Suppose that this is a four chamber of heart in which this is a right pumping unit and this is a left pumping unit. Both left and right auricle are separated by a septum which is known as intra-auricular septum. Both right and left ventricle are separated by a septum which is known as a intraventricular septum. Therefore, heart consists right and left pumping unit in which right pumping unit receive and distribute deoxygenated blood and left pumping unit receive and distribute oxygenated blood. The deoxygenated blood from all over the body is collected by veins and transferred into right auricle by the help of superior and inferior vena cava. The deoxygenated blood from right auricle flows into the right ventricle by the help of the auricular ventricular aperture. The deoxygenated blood from right ventricle is carried by pulmonary artery which carry the blood up to the lungs and where the gaseous exchange take place and deoxygenated blood are converted into oxygenated blood. Then the oxygenated blood is carried by pulmonary vein which open into left auricle and from this blood flows into the left ventricle. The oxygenated blood from left ventricle is carried by dorsal aorta and through its branches the oxygenated blood distributed all over the body. So in this way, blood flows twice through the heart. So this is also called as double circulation. The auricular ventricular aperture and the opening at the base of pulmonary artery and dorsal aorta are guarded by a heart valves which main function is to prevent backflow of the blood and maintaining unique direction of the flow of blood. So overall this means that जो deoxygenated blood होते हैं वो superior और inferior vena cava से होते हुए right auricle में enter करते हैं and by the help of the heart valves it enter into the right ventricle. Then the deoxygenated blood from right ventricles flows into pulmonary artery and which carries the blood up to the lungs जहाँ पे gaseous exchange take place करते हैं और जितने भी deoxygenated blood होते हैं वो convert हो जाते हैं oxygenated blood में. तो ये Then the oxygenated blood is carried by pulmonary veins which open into left auricle and from the left auricle blood flows into the left ventricles and from left ventricles blood flows into dorsal aorta and its branches through which oxygenated blood distributed all over the body. So this is a course of circulation of blood in human heart. I hope this will help you a lot. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.